Hello. So in this session, we're going to do some math problems. Not all math problems have to do with numbers. So we're going to first do one that is called a logic problem, where we're going to decipher and figure out who is using what using a graph. And then the second part is we're going to solve some story problems. The first is a logic problem. It says Hazel, Zelma, Harriet, and Willow use secret ingredients to make their witch's brew delicious. Instead of using a regular pot, they boil their brew in either a turtle shell, an old man's boot, a cauldron, or a flower pot. Can you figure out each witch's secret ingredient and what they use as their brewing pot? We'll follow each clue and fill out the graph according to the clue. On this slide, you'll see all 5 clues that will help you fill out the graph. The following will be a slide for each individual clue. At the end of all the slides, we'll go back to each clue with the graph filled out. The X's on the graph mean that they don't match. The O's is what they match. Clue 1. Hazel does not use cat whiskers or toenail clippings in her brew. Where would you put the O's and the X's based on this clue? Clue 2. Willow cooks her brew in an old man's boot. Remember, when you put an O for where it matches, make sure you put X's in all the other boxes to eliminate those people or those squares. It will help you see a little clearer of where the next clues are. Clue 3. Harriet does not use cauldron or flower pot when she cooks the caterpillar guts. So if you're filling out your own graph, you would put an O in the box of caterpillar guts under Harriet, and all the other boxes would be X's. Clue 4. Zelma uses either a cauldron or a turtle shell to cook her toenail clippings. So with this clue, we know that she uses toenail clippings, but she does not use the old man's boot or the flower pot. Clue 5. The flower pot is used to cook the snail slime. So we know whoever uses the snail slime uses the flower pot. At this point, we should use process of elimination when it comes to placing our X's and O's. Here are the clues again with the markings where they go. Clue 1, Hazel did not use cat whiskers or toenail clippings, so you should put an X under Hazel where cat whiskers and toenail clippings are. Clue 2, Willow cooks her brew in an old man's boot. So over by Willow, you put an O because she uses the old man's boot, and the X's for all the other pots and all the other people, as shown above. Clue 3. Harriet does not use cauldron or flower pot when she cooks the caterpillar guts. So make sure you put an O for caterpillar guts for Harriet and X's for everyone else under caterpillar guts. You will also, because of process of elimination, discover that she uses the turtle snail as her pot. Clue 4. Zelma uses either a cauldron or turtle shell to cook her toenail clippings. Here, we will discover that you'll put a 0 or an O for toenail clippings and put an X for everyone else. The last clue. The flower pot is used to cook the snail slime. In the clues prior to this, we learned that Hazel used the snail slime, and therefore she used the flower pot, and Zelma used the cauldron. Here's a look of the final graph all filled out. So we learned that Hazel used the snail slime and flower pot. Zelma used ingredient toenail clippings in the cauldron. Harriet used the caterpillar guts in the turtle shell. And Willow used the cat whiskers in the old man's boot. Did you get it right? Okay, the first story problem goes like this. In a haunted house, there is a large closet, and inside the closet, there are skeletons of all the ghosts that are haunting the house, and go in and out of the large closet. 10 go in, 2 come out. 12 more go in, 3 come out. 5 go in, 7 come out. Then 10 more go in and only 1 comes out. 4 go in and 8 come out. How many skeletons are left in the closet? So let's go to the whiteboard and kind of visualize those numbers, and we'll figure it out together. Okay. So first of all, 10 go in, and we're just gonna do little dashes. So we're gonna write 10 dashes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so 10 skeletons go in, 2 come out. So 10 minus 2 equals what? 8, yes. So we're just going to erase two of these lines that represent the skeletons. So there's 8. So now 12 more go into the closet. So 8 plus 12 equals what? Well, let's add 12 markings and then count. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus, let's count 8 from the beginning. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So there are 20 skeletons so far that have gone in and out. Now 3 come out. So 20 minus 3 equals what? (20, 19, 18, 17). So let's erase 3 of these. So now currently there are 17 skeletons in the closet as of right now. So now 5 go in. So 17 plus 5 equals what? Well, here's 17 skeletons. Let's add 5 more. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22 skeletons are in the closet currently. But now 22, now it says 7 come out of the closet. So 22 minus 7. Let's get rid of 7 of these dashes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And let's count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So now there's 15 skeletons in the closet. So next in the story problem it says 10 more go in. So now 15 plus 10 equals, well, 10 plus 10 is 20, plus 5 is 25. 25. So let's make 25 dashes. So right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So now let's add 10 more. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. Hope you can see that. There's 25 dashes right there. So we had 10 go in, now only 1 come out. So 25 minus 1 is 24, right? So minus 1 is 24. So now we have 24 skeletons in the closet. Now 4 go in. So 24 plus 4 equals, that's pretty simple. Well, 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 20 is 28. So let's add 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's make sure we have 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and 28. So 28 skeletons are in the closet. So now there's 28 skeletons in the closet. The next part of the problem says that 8 come out of the closet. So 28 minus 8 equals what? 20, that's right. So just to visualize, we're going to get rid of 8 dashes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And let's see, now it says how many skeletons are left in the closet. So let's make sure. We think it's 20. If we did our dashes right, we should have 20 up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We have 20 skeletons in the closet. So we have 20. Okay, here's a little bit more challenging one, and where we'll have to write a lot of information to keep track of it. The problem story goes like this. 4 monsters decide to throw a party. A vampire, a zombie, a mummy, and a werewolf go shopping for food and drinks. The vampire buys 4 bags of chips at $3.75 each. The zombie buys 2 bottles of soda at $1.09 each. 3 gallons of water at 79 cents each, and 2 jugs of juice at $3.49 each. The mummy buys 5 bags of assorted candy at $2.50 each. The werewolf just wants to eat it all. How much did they spend at the party? So I've written down all that information right here on the board. So now let's work together and do some math to figure out how much they spent in whole. So 4 bags at $3.75 each. So let's do the old school math. Okay? So $3.75 plus $3.75 plus $3.75 plus $3.75. Okay? Let's just make it easy like that. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, and we carry the 2. 7 plus 7 is 14, and 14 and 14 is 8, 28, okay? 14 and 14 is 28 plus 2, 28, 29, 30. Carry the 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Plus 3 is 9. Plus 3 is 12. Plus 3 is 15. So $15. So the vampires spent $15 on the 4 bags of chips. $15. So 2 bottles of soda. So we're going to erase this right here. And we're going to move on to the zombie. 2 bottles of soda at $1.09. So $1.09 plus $1.09. 9 plus 9 is, 9 plus 9 is 18. You carry the 1. Zeros, so 1. And 1 plus 1 is 2. So the bottles of soda cost $2.18. So the 3 gallons of water at 79 cents each. So 79 plus 79 plus 79. We're at the 3 gallons of water at 79 cents each. 9 plus 9 is 18. Okay, 18 and 18 plus 9. What's that? 27. Carry the 2. 7 plus 7 is 14, right? And 14 plus 7 is 21 plus 2. 21, 22, 23. 23. And when there's a decimal and there's 2, then you carry the decimal twice over. So it's $2.37 for the water. $2.37. Okay, the zombie also bought 2 jugs of juice at $3.49. Sorry, my hand was in the way. The zombie also bought 2 jugs of juice at $3.49. So let's clear this off. Let's clear this off and do $3.49 plus $3.49 equals 9 plus 9 is 18 again. So drop the 8, carry the 1. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. And 3 plus 3 is 6. So $6.98 for the 2 jugs of juice. And the last item are 5 bags of candy at $2.99. So $2.99 plus $2.90. We're going to do this 5 times. One, two, three, four. One more. You can also go $2.99 times 5. Okay, you'll get the same answer either way. So 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 9 is 45. So carry the 4. There's 5 more 9, so that's 45 plus 4, 45, 46. Sorry, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. 49. Carry the 4, so we drop the 9, put the decimal where it's supposed to go. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So that's 2 times 5. Just like here, 2 times 5 is 10 plus the carried 4 is 14. So this equals $14.95. So now that we've gotten each of the items totals, it's not asking for each of the total for each of the items or each of the monsters. It's asking for the total amount of the party. So we have to go 15 plus 218 plus 237 plus 698 plus $14.95. So let's go. 8 plus 7 is 15. Plus 5 is 20. Plus 8 is 28. 9 plus 9 is 18. 19 is a 1 plus 3. 20, 21, 22 plus the carry 2 is 24. So put the 4 down, carry the 2. So 5 plus, let's go, 6 plus 4. We'll start at the bottom. 4 plus 6 is 10. Plus 2, 12, right? 10, 11, 12. Plus 2, 12, 13, 14. Plus 5 is 19. Plus the carry 2, 21. So put the decimal down, drop the 1, carry the 2. 2 plus 1, so the carry 2 plus 1 plus 1. So 2, 3, and 4. So the total amount that they paid for the party was $41.48. I hope you enjoyed these math problems. As you can see, math story problems don't always have to include numbers, just like the very first puzzle. And some are easy and some might be a little bit more tricky. You just have to really read the stories clearly and really focus on what they're asking for. So I hope you enjoyed this. Have a great day.